Phasalo income tax deno Twiwi Rajakhor Agulini income tax Bhavano Kaisa Sakmwchungwi Thwirwmani Panda Khlaijakha Salni Pandao Manjakha IRS officer Rupak Kanti Bhattacharjee CGST commissioner IRS Dr. A.S. Kundan Yadab IRS officer Dhiraj Khobwi Kubun Adongrok.
First in 1860, first income tax day was celebrated.
Salni Pandao Koksanani Thangai CGST Commissioner IRS Dr. A.S. Kundan Yadab Saka Bhavano Twiwi Chisa Sakmwchungwi Thwirwmani Abhaikena Senior Jotono Sakmwchungwi Thwirwmani Bagai Kobong Yaforka Abhaikena Sakango form fill up Khlaiwi income tax return Khlaijakha Tabuke software by Kisa Jorani Bishingono Samakhlaijakha Honoi.
Good roads, good universities, good hospitals. So everything behind that actually. If we start from the micro level, for a family also there has to be one earner who will earn to manage the family. So for the department, we the revenue department, both CBIC and CBDT put together, we are earning for the government. And we are earning a lot of, actually, if we look at the budget, if we look at the pie chart after the budget is introduced, you will be finding that there are two pie charts. One is rupee comes from and rupee goes to. If you find our contribution, revenue department put together, when I talk of revenue means CBIC and CBDT, you will be finding that more than 41% of the revenue, government revenue we are earning. And now after such a long way from, actually British period it was the 1922 and then 1961, and this year it's very important for us because we have started this new act which has come into effect from 1st of April this year, Income Tax Act 2025. अभी तो CBIC हो गया थोड़ा अलग है, लेकिन हम लोग एक ही है, तो
Rajakhor Agulini Simi Amit ni Kokthum Chini Khorang.